you ever wondered how software actually gets built? I'm not talking about the coding part. I am talking about the entire journey. From someone having an idea in a meeting room all the way to you using the app on your phone. Well, the journey has a name. The name is the Software Development Lifecycle, or as we call it, the SDLC. And once you understand it, you will start to see why some projects succeed and why others completely crash and burn. So in this video, we will break down the SDLC simply, clearly, and in a way that actually helps you become a better engineer, a better Scrum Master, or even just someone working in tech. Hello friends, my name is Magdy, and over the years working in tech, I have seen one thing clearly, that the teams that understand the SDLC deliver better, period. Whether you're coding, managing teams, or just starting out, this video will give you a clear mental map of how software comes to life. Section number 1. What is the SDLC? So the SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Think of it like a blueprint for building software, step by step. Just like the architects, they don't build skyscrapers by guessing. Well, the teams should not build software by improvising. Well, it's a structured process that ensures quality and reduces risks and improves collaboration. There are many models of the SDLC, but they all revolve around the same core phases. So let's break them down. Section number 2, the 7 phases explained. Number 1, planning and requirement analysis. This is the let's figure out the problem phase. Stakeholders define the objectives, check feasibility, and identify risks. Think of it like as laying the foundation before touching a single line of code. Number 2, defining the requirements. Clear documentation is created, both functional and non-functional. Basically, what exactly are we building? So this avoids the classic, which is that's not what I asked for moment at the end of the project. Number 3, designing the system. The architects and senior developers plan the structure, the tech stack, and how data will flow. It's like creating the blueprint for a building before construction starts. Number 4, development. Now the real coding happens. So developers build features based on the design, follow standards, and prepare for integration. So this is usually the longest phase, but without the earlier steps, it quickly turns chaotic. Number 5, testing. So the QA team step in to verify that everything actually works. Unit tests, integration tests, user acceptance testings, the UAT, and the goal is simple, so catch the bugs before users do. Number 6 is the deployment. Once everything is tested, the software is released into the real world. Depending on the model, this can be a big bang launch or small incremental release. Number 7 is the maintenance, the often forgotten phase. After release, teams fix bugs, optimize performance, and roll out improvements. Think of this as the software aftercare. The software aftercare is just as important as the build itself. Section number 3, the SDLC models explained simply. Well, now depending on how you approach those phases, you get different SDLC models. The first one is the waterfall. Our old traditional waterfall. Each phase happens one after the other. It works well when everything is well defined up front, but changes become very expensive later. Number 2 is the iterative. You build small parts, test, then improve with each cycle. It's like building the product in layers. Number 3 is the Agile, or the adaptive incremental. So the teams deliver working software in short sprints, continuously refining based on feedback. The next one is the V model. The validation and verification happens side by side, very strong, and the QA focus. Next model is the Big Bang. Well, zero structure, just start coding and hope for the best. Spoiler, it often ends with chaos. So each model has its pros and cons, but the real key is choosing the right model for your project, not just following the trends blindly. Section number 4. So why the SDLC actually matters. Here's the thing. Most teams think they are following a process, but in reality, they are winging it. Understanding the SDLC gives you a shared language between developers, testers, and managers. A clear map to navigate complex projects, and a way to spot red flags early. If you are a Scrum Master, this understanding helps you support teams beyond just ceremonies. And if you are a developer, it gives you a bigger picture behind the code that you're writing. So the next time your project feels messy, pause and ask, which phase are we actually in? Did we skip a critical step? That simple reflection can save months of chaos. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because I've got upcoming videos on Agile, Scrum, and real career growth in tech. Well, I will see you in the next one.